trip. So today we are at my place of work, the Rowe Elementary School in Portland, Maine. And I actually work here in the kitchen and I run all of the food for the kids, but I also am a school garden coordinator. And so I'm out here in the school garden because this is my nature place these days. If I had to pick one place, this is where I really spend a lot of time, especially now that it's spring in Maine. So I first started in 2018, so it's been about 3 years here, and the garden was started from scratch basically. The first year we just got the 10 raised beds installed, and that's it. So over the last 3 years we've done a lot of community effort to build the space